Full metal waterproof design withstands sun and rain. Keyless entry with one-touch synchronized control. Wireless remote, one-touch control. Use backup key to unlock when power is low. Flexible bolt with auto reset, anti-jamming and shockproof. Anti-misoperation design, unlocks only when handle is turned. Direct replacement for old locks, 10-minute installation. Please measure the lock hole before installation. Width requirement, 2.75 inches. Height requirement, 3.75 inches. Door thickness, 1.5 inches. The lock is 4.7 inches in height and 5.9 inches in length. The installation area must be completely clear. When installing inner lock, connect wires, secure harness, align handle and switch ports. After installing battery, hold ADD for 5 south. After beep choose 1, add password, enter 6-digit code plus press unlock to confirm. To add remote, press any remote key to pair.